A leading man. A leading man is someone whose presence inspires us, yet is sensitive to those around him. That's what we're all looking for. And what a choice we have this evening. We have the tough guy, the anti-hero, the victim, and the adulterer. And the IFTA goes to Martin McCann.
Wow, thank you, Kim. Wow, I'm in shock. I really didn't expect this. The nomination was a surprise. I'm overwhelmed, I'm humbled. The people that the leading men that I was in the same category with, Killian, Colm, Liam, you know, I've grown up watching you on TV. It's a night like this, it makes me feel very proud to be an actor, very proud to be Irish. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Conor McDermott Rowe, who basically, you know, brought a one-man play to a full-length feature film with over 36 actors, and most of them were his friends from Sligo. So, buddy, this is for you. I'd like to thank Herman Florin, Edwina Forkin. I'd like to thank Joan, wonderful costume, Jill Brennan and Nina Ayub for wonderful makeup. I know I'm going to forget someone. Marcella, he was great to act with. But thank you so much. This is a night I'll never forget, and I'm truly honoured and humbled. Thank you so much.